Welcome back to our channel, drone enthusiasts. Today we're going to explore the top 5 drones for aerial photography and videography that you can buy this year. Whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to capture breathtaking shots, these drones have got you covered. First up, we have the DJI Air 3. This drone is packed with features that make it a fantastic choice for aerial photography and videography. The DJI Air 3 boasts dual primary cameras, including a medium telephoto and wide-angle lens, perfect for travel photography. With 4K HDR capabilities, it delivers breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and lifelike details. But what truly sets the Air 3 apart is its 46-minute maximum flight time, a 48% increase from its predecessor. Say goodbye to worrying about battery life while capturing those perfect shots. Safety is paramount, and the Air 3 comes equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, ensuring comprehensive protection even in challenging environments like forests. Next up, we have the Autel drone Robotics Evo Max 4T. This drone is a powerhouse of technology and is designed for various missions, including public safety, search and rescue, inspection, and firefighting. The 4-in-1 payload includes a wide-angle camera, zoom camera, thermal camera, and a laser rangefinder. It's a versatile tool for all your data capture needs. Autel's AMesh 1.0 networking allows multiple machines to collaborate autonomously, ensuring continuous communication and information relay, even if one drone fails. With ultimate obstacle avoidance combining binocular vision systems and millimeter-wave radar technology, the Evo Max 4T can detect objects down to 0.5 inches, eliminating blind spots. The Autel Skylink 3.0 system provides advanced flight capabilities with a long transmission range and low latency, making it ideal for various applications. Now let's talk about the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. This drone comes with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera and offers stunning 5.1K HD video quality. With a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mavic 3 Classic ensures you can capture more content with fewer interruptions. It offers a 15-kilometer HD video transmission range, extending shooting possibilities with a stable signal and crystal-clear feed. Moving on to our next pick, the DJI Air 2S, a drone known for its powerful camera and intelligent features. With a 1-inch image sensor and 5.4K video capability, the DJI Air 2S captures stunning aerial footage even in challenging conditions. Intelligent features like Master Shots and Focus Track make it easy to get the best shots in any location. Plus, it has excellent obstacle sensing capabilities. Thanks to DJI's advanced O3 image transmission technology, you can enjoy a smooth and reliable image feed with a maximum range of 7.5 miles. Finally, we have the DJI Avata, a first-person view drone with a focus on immersive flying experiences. The motion controller offers intuitive flight control, and the drone's 4K stabilized video and built-in propeller guard ensure a smooth and safe flight. With an 18-minute flight time, the flagship transmission system, the DJI Avata, is perfect for those looking to experience the thrill of flying. And there you have it, our top 5 drones for aerial photography and videography in 2023. Each of these drones brings unique features and capabilities to the table, so choose the one that best suits your needs and capture those breathtaking shots. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more drone-related content.